Welcome to Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and joining us on today's episode is Bernie Clemaw, Vice President of Innovation and Information Technology, and Tracy Adams, Community Outreach Manager. They're going to be discussing with us today how Terrebonne General provides wellness and health resources in our community. Welcome to the show, Tracy and Bernie.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
All right, well, let's get started with Bernie. You telling us a little bit more about yourself and your role at Terrebonne General.
Okay, well, I'm from Shag Bay, Louisiana. I've been with Terrebonne General now 3 years. Started off as Director of Information Technology, and now I work with community outreach, as well as our gift shop, our sports trainers, and leadership development as well.
Okay, and Tracy, tell us about your role at Terrebonne General.
Tracy Adams. I've been with Terrebonne almost 5 years, and I've just transitioned into a new role of community outreach.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing that information with us. Let's get started with, Terrebonne General provides expansive services to our community. So, Bernie, tell us more about why Terrebonne General plays such an active role in our community.
Well, we believe, as being the healthcare providing leader in our organization, in our community, that is more to it than just being here for sick people. And we also believe, as a leader in Terrebonne Parish, that it's more than just being in healthcare. We feel that in order to have a very healthy parish, that we need our businesses, our government, our charitable organizations to all work together to have the best safety net possible for our parishioners. That's why we host and support many, many events and programs throughout the year. Last year alone, we supported over 50 events throughout the parish.
That's amazing. So there's two initiatives that you started a few years back. Tell us what those are and what population they serve.
Sure. First of all, Well and Wise is for our parishioners that are 60 years of age and older. And we do that in partnership with the Terrebonne Council of Aging. And we also have Market at the Marina, which supports our local small craft and food businesses. And we do that in partnership with the Terrebonne Downtown Development Corporation.
Okay, and I know Tracy plays an active role in Well and Wise. Can you tell us
Yes.
more about what that is, please?
So Well and Wise is a program that we have been having for our seniors, and it helps them with education, prevention, and it just gives them an overall compass of what they need to be doing to keep healthy as they age.
Okay, and how often do they meet and what's covered at the meetings?
So it's once a month. It's the third Wednesday of every month, and it starts at 8:30 to 10:30. And we usually have different topics. Next month, for example, is Heart Month, so we're going to have a cardiologist coming to speak to them. And we also incorporate exercise, and we provide them a complimentary breakfast each month.
It's a great way for them to get out and socialize, right?
Yes.
And do you have any other offerings that you offer to this group to participate in other things?
So we do. We have Well and Wise Fitness, and that is a senior exercise program that they are able to join, and it's a program specifically for them and their age, and it really caters to what they need. If like we have one right now that had hip surgery, and she's making great strides because she's able to work out and do the things that she needs to help her in her recovery.
Tracy, what is Market at the Marina?
So Market at the Marina is our farmers market that we had initiated about 4 years ago, and it's off of our community needs assessment.
Okay, and tell us what is offered at Market at the Marina.
So at Market at the Marina, we have produce, fresh produce. We have meat to table. We have seafood, bread, jam, and different things from local producers.
Okay, and do you partner with any local organizations?
We have our STEM program with St. Matthews. They come out every month and do something fun, activities for the kids. We also have Terrebonne General Sprouts program, and that's just activity-based to keep the kids moving and let them know that exercise is key to their health. And we also have just started a non-for-profit spotlight that we have local non-for-profits that come to the market to help share their mission.
Right, and isn't this a partnership with Terrebonne Parish?
Yes, this is
Consolidated
also a
Government?
partnership with the Terrebonne Parish. Yes.
Okay, and you're offering something new now with a not-for-profit spotlight?
Yes.
You want to tell us more about that?
So that's just, we have reached out to all the non-for-profits in the area, and we've asked them once a month if they would like to come and join. So last month in January, we had the Little Floaters program from the YMCA. They just started that program, and it's going well. And for February, we have BACA, which is Bikers Against Child Abuse.
Certain times of the year, do you offer things other than market
So
merchandise?
in 2024, we are adding crafts once a quarter. So that allows our craft vendors to come in and share their goods with the community.
All right. Well, how many people do you say on average come to the market?
So
It's
on
grown.
average, we have between 750 and 1,000. If it's a beautiful, it all depends on the weather.
Yes.
If it's a beautiful day, we can have over 1,000.
Well, that's amazing. A great way for people to get a little healthier and have opportunities for fresh foods and produce.
Yes.
Well, good. Well, Bernie, tell us what you want our audience to know about what are the three most important things of why Terrebonne General is so active in our community.
Well, first of all, both of these events we discussed are free of charge. So admission is free to attend these. Secondly, Team Terrebonne is what supports all these events. So Team Terrebonne is our volunteer organization of all of our workers here at the hospital. They've logged over 1,500 hours of volunteer time this past year. So very impressive. We have people like Lorraine Coleman, Melissa Dupree, Vicki Scott, Byron James, John Sonia, who each alone volunteered over 100 hours this past year. And then finally, as the healthcare leader for the past 70 years in our parish, we're fully committed and dedicated to a healthy Terrebonne parish.
Well, you can't beat that. Thank y'all so much for sharing information about what you and Terrebonne General does in our community.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
For more information about community outreach efforts and health and wellness resources, visit tghealthsystem.com. Thanks so much for joining us on To Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alford, and we'll see you right back here next week.